Hello everyone! Today we are going to install the Buffer-A xMCU series filament buffer kit. Before we begin, please make sure you have all the necessary parts ready. The kit includes the base plate, the main board, sliding components, springs, PTFE fittings, magnets, and mounting screws. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Installing the main board. Prepare the base plate, the main board, and 3 M2x5 screws. Align the main board with the base plate exactly as shown. Pay close attention to the orientation. Do not install it backward. Then secure it with the 3 screws. Step 2. Installing the PTFE tube fitting. Thread the fitting into the assembly as shown. Double-check the interface direction to ensure the PTFE tube can connect smoothly later. Step 3. Installing the magnets. Please pay extreme attention to the magnet orientation. The side with the red mark must face to the left. Before inserting, apply a tiny drop of glue inside the slot. This will ensure the magnet stays locked firmly in place. Step 4. Installing the spring and fitting. First, place the spring into its designated slot, and then screw in the fitting. Do not mix up this order, or it will ruin the smooth recoil of the buffer. Step 5. Assembling the sliding components. Gather the mounting seat and the slider block. Combine them following the diagram. Step 6. Mounting the slider to the base plate. Secure the sliding assembly onto the base plate using 1 M2x5 screw. Look closely here. The spring must catch perfectly inside the internal baffle. Test it. Ensure the entire assembly snaps back smoothly. If it gets stuck, loosen the screw and readjust immediately. Step 7. Installing onto the printer. Prepare your M3x25 screws and the PTFE tube. You can use the tube included in the kit or stick with your original one. Connect the wiring cables first, then tighten down the mounting screws. Finally, plug in the PTFE tube and check one last time to ensure the slider can bounce back without any friction. And you are completely done. The Buffer-A xMCU buffer kit is now fully installed. This upgrade will give your printer a much more stable and smoother filament feeding experience. Thank you for watching, and happy printing.